Dr. Laura Hastings, a professor of cellular biology and former Army medic. Mark Hastings, Laura's husband, who returned mysteriously after a year-long disappearance. Dr. Nora Winters, a determined psychologist leading the expedition. Dr. Adam Fisher, a physicist. Dr. Sarah Brooks, an anthropologist. Jane Torres, a paramedic. The entity, a mysterious force causing distortions within the Enigma field. Dr. Laura Hastings is being debriefed about her expedition into a mysterious area called the Enigma field. She is the only survivor. Government interrogators reveal she was in the Enigma field for 4 months with only 2 weeks of rations. Laura claims 2 members of her team are dead and she does not know the fate of the other 2. Flashback to Laura's husband, Mark, returning home unexpectedly after being missing for a year. He is emotionless and distant. Mark suddenly becomes gravely ill and is taken by government forces to a secret facility. The Enigma field appeared 3 years ago from an unknown event and has been expanding ever since. Numerous expeditions have been lost, and the government fears it will soon engulf major cities. Dr. Nora Winters recruits Laura to join a new scientific expedition into the Enigma field to discover its source and nature. The team consists of Laura, Nora, physicist Dr. Adam Fisher, anthropologist Dr. Sarah Brooks, and paramedic Jane Torres. Laura agrees, driven by the need to understand what happened to Mark. The team enters the Enigma field. Communication and navigation tools fail. They lose track of time and memory, realizing they've been inside for several days with no recollection. The team encounters bizarrely mutated flora and fauna, including a hybrid creature that attacks them. Laura saves Dr. Fisher from a mutated crocodile with characteristics of a shark. The team discovers a deserted research base with evidence of previous expeditions. A video shows Mark performing a disturbing experiment on a fellow soldier, revealing internal mutations. The team finds a room filled with human remains fused with the environment. A mutated bear-like creature attacks the base at night, killing Dr. Brooks. The team is shaken but presses on, realizing the mutations become more extreme closer to the center. The team discovers a village with human-shaped plants, suggesting DNA is being refracted and mixed. Dr. Fisher theorizes the Enigma field acts as a prism, altering everything within it. Jane becomes paranoid and attacks the team, believing Laura is hiding something. The creature that killed Dr. Brooks returns and kills Jane. Laura and Nora fend off the creature and continue toward the center. Laura and Nora reach the lighthouse at the center of the Enigma field. Inside, Laura finds footage of Mark explaining he is not the same person before he self-destructs. Laura confronts a glowing entity that mimics her every move. Laura tricks the entity into mimicking her actions and sets off an explosive, destroying the lighthouse. The explosion causes the Enigma field to collapse and fade away. Laura's debriefing concludes. She is reunited with Mark, who has recovered with the disappearance of the Enigma field. Laura and Mark acknowledge they are no longer the same people, their irises shimmering and shifting.